Good morning again. Today's video I will just show my ventilation setup for my H2D printer and my current workbench for when I need to solder as well. So this is my current HVAC ventilation setup, whatever you want to call it, for my H2D printer. So when I'm printing something, yes, the PLA has its own exhaust, but for ABS and PPS, like when the chamber has to be hot and all the vents are closed, there still is leakage in these areas, and so this part of the ventilation actually extracts this air here. A better close-up would be right here. So whenever it has to dump anything, it goes back there, or just in general as it's printing. So even the little leakage from the back chute gets drawn up and out into the window. And then I also added this so that I can have a multi-purpose setup where when I'm soldering, it goes into that tube and also out the window. So I have no soldering fumes and I have no carbon fiber fumes or any plastic fumes. So when I'm doing printing or when I'm doing just soldering. And this is my current station. So that's the process of making a safe environment for my lab, and to ensure that there's no fumes coming out of the H2D, but also at the same time it doesn't mess with any of the prints. So it's not like it's extracting so much that the chamber can't stay hot. It's just extracting what leaks out of the system, which is behind in that chute.